This is your Professor Ian. This is a short video where I'm going to give you a walkthrough of the Canvas site. This is useful because, especially if you're not familiar with Canvas, I'm going to show you some of the main functions. If you are familiar with Canvas, I'm going to show you how I set up my Canvas site, so you can understand where to look for information in the way I set up a course. Because every professor uses Canvas differently. So let's get to it. So here is, on this left side here, is what's called your global navigation menu. And this is, you can go to different courses, you can go to your main inbox, student services. That's a very important one to check out. That will take you to, the Writing Center and Success Center and things like that. So, and counselors. So anyways, that's more of they call it the global navigation menu. This is your course navigation menu, and this is specific to this course. So the options for this course, I try to pare it down. There's the home screen, this one. Announcements, I'll be posting multiple announcements every week. You can go back and look at those. Modules, that's the most important tab in the course. Assignments, grades, Zoom if you want to get a hold of me. And then I have a link to the OWL at Purdue, which is the best writing resource on the internet, in my opinion. So anyways, also, this might look a bit different on your device, your iPhone, your what else do people use? Androids and flip phones and whatnot. But this is, I'm using a desktop, so this is how it looks for me. Anyways, this is the main homepage, little, graphic intro. There's a welcome video. There's a link to the syllabus. There's a picture of me, a little bit about me, how to contact me, a little bit about the course, the textbook. So just some general information about the course. Announcements, again, if you click there, I don't think there are announcements yet. So there's nothing to see there, but that will take you to the announcements that I post on a regular basis. I post multiple announcements every week. So again, you can go back and look at things that I've said. Assignments, you can look at assignments. Also, you can see here what's coming up. There will be a list. There'll be a list for you there too. Here you can keep an eye on your grades. This if you want to get a hold of me, Zoom, but that's also linked in the modules. Everything here is linked in the modules, so that is your most important tab. And then, of course, the OWL at Purdue. So let's look at the modules. I keep saying this again and again, but it is the most important tab on the course. And if you scroll down, you can see all 18 weeks are laid out here in the modules tab. I'm still doing some work on the course at the time of this recording, so it's going to look a bit different when you see it. But you can see, and for this course, I've done it, there's 3 modules. We're doing short fiction, drama, and poetry. So I've done it, module 1.1 with the week, module 1.2, module 1.3, etc., etc. And you can see every week has an overview, and let's go to the overview for week 1.1, because this is more regular. So there's a brief written description of what we're doing that week, along with a video, if you prefer to take the information that way. At the bottom of the screen, you can click on the next button. This will take you to the next button in my series of documents and assignments I want you to do. So a little bit about growth mindset. This is week 1. A discussion of the syllabus using an app we're going to use this semester called Perusal. I have a separate video about that. And then week 1, I also want you to post a short video of yourself doing a little show and tell using another app we're going to use on a regular basis called Flipgrid. Flipgrid is a video sharing app. And if you don't feel comfortable sharing a video of yourself, just turn off the video and share an audio file. That's totally fine. And then at the bottom of every module is a link to my office hours, to my office. So you can click right here, or you can enter the Zoom ID. I have office hours Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday from 1 to 3, or by appointment. These hours, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I am literally sitting here in my office waiting for you if you want to talk to me, but I'm also available at other times. I have 2 small children, so I work around their schedules, but we can definitely set up a time. And then let's see. Then it goes on to module 1.2, which isn't unlocked yet. You'll notice in wait, let's go back to the modules tab. I lock all the modules so that they open up every week on a rolling basis. That way you don't get, too far ahead in the stuff and get lost. I've had that happen when I just open everything up. So on a regular week 1, I want you to go through module 0 stuff, which is just stuff about the course, and then module 1.1, which is just basic, getting to know each other, icebreaker, look at the syllabus, that kind of stuff. And then week 1 or module 1.2, which is the second week of the semester, is more of a regular week. There's an overview. There's some readings I want you to look at, and then there are some assignments. So there is a concept quiz, a couple concept quizzes using another program app called Play Pause It. And then there's a discussion of a story, another discussion of a story, and then a Flipgrid. So that's the usual kind of thing we'll do. Some readings, a couple concept quizzes. And the concept quizzes are super, they're not like, I'm not quizzing you on knowledge. It's more getting you to engage with the video lecture that I've posted. So don't worry about all the quizzes. It's kind of misleading, I suppose. But so some quizzes, some concept quizzes, some discussion, then a Flipgrid. You can see the same thing in the next week. Some concept quizzes, discussion, and Flipgrid. And of course, as I mentioned before, I'm still not done building these modules, so there might be more readings and stuff in some of these. But anyways, that's the basic way I set up the course. Again, modules is by far the most important tab that you will be using. This is the breakdown. All the readings, all the assignments are linked here. There is no textbook you have to buy. All the readings are linked here in the modules tab, so you never have to look anywhere else for a reading. So this is really home base for us. Okay, so that's about it. If you have any questions or concerns about Canvas, please do email me. And otherwise, I hope your semester goes very well. And I hope you're having a great summer. So thank you very much. Bye-bye.